This might be a good time for you to say, this is my season, this is my breakthrough. But are you ready? It's 11:59, and we are counting down. We don't have a big apple here. Are you ready?
Here we are.
10, 9,
9, 8, 7,